multiply the following. First one, 2.1 into 5. This is a decimal, this is a whole number. Write 2.1 into 5. Now ignore the decimal point and multiply these numbers as we multiply whole number. 0.1 is 5, write 5 here, 0.2 is 10. So there is no digit here to put the carry over, so write 10 here. Now count the number of decimal places. There is one decimal place. So move to the right corner of the result and count one place. This is first place. So put the decimal point before 5. So this becomes 10.5. 2.1 into 5 is equal to 10.5. Next sum, 0.67 into 8. Write 0.67 into 8. Now ignore the decimal point and multiply these numbers. 8 into 7 is 56. So write 5 as a carry over next digit and 6 below 7 and 8. Now we have to multiply 8 with 6. 8 into 6 is 48. Add the carry 5 to it, it becomes 53. So write 5 as a carry over next digit and 3 before 6. Now we have to multiply 8 with 0. 8 into 0 is 0. Add the carry 5 to it, it becomes 5. So write 5 before 3. Now count the number of decimal places. If there are 2 decimal places, so move to the right corner of the result and count 2 places. 1, 2. Now put the decimal point. That is, we have to put the decimal point before 3. So it becomes 5.36. 0.67 into 8 is 5.36. Next sum, 1.75 into 21. So write 1.75 into 21. Now ignore the decimal point and multiply. First we have to multiply this with 1, then with 2. 1 into 5 is 5, write 5 here. 1 into 7 is 7, write 7 here. 1 into 1 is 1, write 1 here. Now we have to multiply 2 with 5. 2 into 5 is 10. So write 1 as a carry over next digit and 0 below 7, leaving 1 space. Now we have to multiply 2 with 7. 2 into 7 is 14. Add the carry 1 to it, it becomes 15. So write 1 as a carry over next digit and 5 before 0. Now we have to multiply 2 with 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Add the carry 1 to it, it becomes 3. So write 3 before 5. Now the multiplication part is completed. Add these numbers. There is 5 here, write 5 here. 7 plus 0 is 7, write 7 here. 1 plus 5 is 6, write 6 here. There is 3 here, write 3 here. Now count the number of decimal places. There are 2 decimal places. So move to the right corner of the result and count 2 places. 1, 2. So put the decimal point here. That is, we have to put the decimal point before 7. So it becomes 36.75. 1.75 into 21 is 36.75. Next sum, 2.001 into 66. So write 2.001 into 66. Ignore the decimal point and multiply. First we have to multiply this with 6, then again with 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So write 6 here. 6 into 0 is 0. Write 0 here. 6 into 0 is 0. Write 0 here. 6 into 2 is 12. There is no digit here to put the carry over. Write 12 here. Now again we have to multiply this with 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So leave one space and write 6 below 0. Then 6 into 0 is 0. Write 0 here. 6 into 0 is 0. Write 0 here. 6 into 2 is 12. There is no digit here to put the carry over. Write 12 here. Now the multiplication part is completed. Add these numbers. There is 6 here. Write 6 here. 0 plus 6 is 6. Write 6 here. 0 plus 0 is 0. write 0 here, 2 plus 0 is 2, write 2 here, 1 plus 2 is 3, write 3 here, there is 1 here, write 1 here. Now count the number of decimal places, 1, 2, 3. So move to the right corner of the result and count 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So put the decimal point here, that is, we have to put the decimal point before 0. So it becomes 132.066. 2.001 into 66 is 132.066.